Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Sunday, which means I'm at Aldi. I'm hoping to keep my list shorter this week. I'm trying to prioritize using food that I have on hand at my house because grocery bills are getting more expensive and I'm trying to cut down on waste. So I hope that I leave less than $100. That hasn't happened in a long time. So let's get in the store, see what I'm getting, and don't forget my meal plans at the end. Right off the bat, I walk in, I see treadmills and weight benches. $170 for the weight bench, $389.99 for the treadmill. They still have the rubber mulch, potting mix, bird seed, and the ellipticals. But these are new. I haven't put these in my daughter's lunches in so long, but I have a feeling they'd be delighted to see them again. So I'm going to get 2 packs for lunches, change things up, $1.25 each. My husband's making Chex Mix today, and he loves the oyster crackers if I can find them. My Aldi doesn't always have them in stock, 89 cents. I'm going to get pitas once again for Elsie's lunches. I'll get the later date. Put them with hummus and vegetables inside, $1.99. Doing my red sticker check. Don't find any today, unfortunately, and my freezer bread stock is low. I'm getting white bread at 92 cents. Every week I get that. And then my 5-year-old requested hot dogs for dinner. 89 cents for hot dog buns. I have hot dogs in the freezer. Strawberries, I'm going to get 2 pounds, mainly for lunches, at $2.69 a pound. I actually overbought fruit last week, so I have quite a bit on hand from spring break. Green onions, 79 cents. We're having Mexican pizzas, copycat of Taco Bell's old recipe. I'm going to get 2 cucumbers for lunches. I'll just slice them up, 65 cents a piece. Shredded lettuce for the Mexican pizzas, $1.79. $3.79 for Pink Lady apples, and I'm actually going to make a homemade applesauce in my Instant Pot for one of our dinners with most of those. $2.94 for a gallon of white milk. Elsie asked me to get pineapple juice, $3.89. And then I'm also going to get this cold brew for $4.99. Sour cream for 99 cents. And I don't know if I've been missing it, but ricotta cheese has been gone for a long time, so I'm excited to see that again. I'll have to remember that as I'm planning meals, that they have it again here. We are almost out of butter, so I need more. We baked a lot last week, $2.90. I need heavy cream. Also, oh my gosh. Heavy cream at $3.09. I am done buying the bag garlic. It keeps going bad on me, so I'm getting this fresh garlic, $1.69. We're having mashed potatoes, gravy, steak bites, and I'm getting sweet corn for the side, 49 cents. I had 1 can of these last week, and my kids asked me to get more, so I'm going to get 2 cans of pineapple slices. They're $1.28 each. Easy side for dinner. Grapes, tomatoes for lunches, $2.29, and then I'm going to get 2 Roma tomatoes at $1.39 a pound. I need more pickles. We eat our pickles, $1.89, and I'm going to make my own relish because they don't sell dill relish. Okay, I'm going to get this bacon for, I'm going to get this bacon for the top of my baked potato soup. I need the sour cream for that, but I pretty much had everything else on hand. Oh, the heavy cream. But that's $1.35. But do these peppers look a little different than normal? Tried buying these a few weeks ago just to have on hand. They were out, but I'll get a box more for $1.15. Granola, my absolute favorite, $2.29. I'm going to get a box of Capri Suns. I wish they had the Aldi brand again at $1.99, but these are $2.48. Wow, that mirror is beautiful. And guys, look, it shows off my great fashion sense of high jeans, socks, and Crocs. But I love that mirror, $40. Big stainless pot, storage, more fitness mats, a workout bar. It's funny, my 5-year-old son wants this for his birthday. I just don't know if we need to give him a bar to swing from in his bedroom. But we have one in our basement, and he wants one in his bedroom door. and I find that funny. So I might be buying that for a birthday present. We'll see. I think that's a cute mat, Home Sweet Home, with a bee on it. Slam balls, 15 or 20 pounds. That seems like a really good price. A Balance Fitness set, $50. Tomato cages, $4.49. I saw someone walk by with a bunch of those in their carts. That must be a good deal. These pants look really soft. They're so thin though, which I'm sure feels good. But I need another pair of lounge pants. Not at all. They feel really nice though. I've seen people on Facebook groups drive all over for these rugs, but somehow my store still has them every week. $170 for the adjustable dumbbell set. Oh, someone asked me last week and I couldn't remember the price on the chainsaw. I thought it was $70, but it's $44.99. So if you're watching this week, there you are. Step stool. Oh, indoor-outdoor rugs. We only have a few of those. I wonder if they sold fast, if we didn't get a lot. But then this side has a bunch of toy things, probably for Easter baskets. They have the different toothbrushes, Monster Jam trucks. Oh my gosh, I might have to get these for my son's Easter basket. Those are so cute. But buying a $9 toy would really bust my budget this week. Underwear, toy storage. If my girls were younger, I'd be all over those socks. They would have loved them. Oh, they have all of their spring cards. I love Aldi. I love Aldi cards. It doesn't say 99 cents, but they generally are, so that's what I'd imagine. Screen wipes, toys, and then all that stuff I think is older items. Okay, my husband asked me for shampoo, so I'm going to try this. We'll see if he likes it. $2.25. The price is right. And then I also need... Uh-oh. They changed... Did they change my face creams? I can't say that I'm happy about this, so we'll see. I've been using this for years, the day and the night. We'll see if I like it still. More to come. $3.99, same price. I'm going to get this dirty rice mix to make as a side for our hot dogs. That sounds good, and I've never tried it, so $1.25. I'm not going to add meat to it, though. We still have all the beautiful Aldi candies for Easter, but they are out of the animals. I'm going to get these soft tortillas for the Mexican pizzas. I have a recipe I'm following to make them like the Taco Bell ones. They're $1.55 for the pack. Parsley at $1.49. I don't know what my husband needs it for, but he put semi-sweet chocolate chips on the grocery list. $1.69. All of my sugar is running low apparently, so I need powdered sugar at $1.44, brown sugar at $1.44, and a bag of granulated sugar at $2.29. $3.95 for my favorite coffee blend. I'm not buying it this week, but this looks new and looks really yummy. $2.39 for that. Barbecue boneless pork shoulder. Look how beautiful those eggs are. I'm not getting them. They're $5, but they look really pretty. Breakfast things. They have different cheeses over here. Oops, there goes some salmon. Some cookie dough. Nothing I need over here, but lots of yummies to look at. Like that carrot cake. Yum. We can rest easy tonight because the ham cabinet has ham. Still have lots of popcorn shrimp, mussels, flounder, clams. I'm going to grab some crispy circles at $1.99. I have no plan for these, which is never good when you're trying to stay within a budget, but my kids love them. Lots of pizza-y things over here, and steak-em. Ice cream cabinet. They have drumsticks, mascarpone cheesecake, frozen coconut cream pie. Yes, I do want that. No, I'm not gonna buy it. And they have the Village Pie Makers strawberry rhubarb. Oh my gosh. Coming around to see how much that is. $12.97. So tempting. I'm making a homemade mac and cheese. I have a lot of cheese, but I'm also going to get white cheddar, $2.65. I'm getting guacamole cups for my daughter's lunches. I'm not going to get spicy this time. I'm going to get the classic, $3.95, but she loved these. So I'm in the Aldi Finds food aisle, and they have so much leftover stuff in here still. I'm still very tempted on these weighted blankets. I just wish they would go on clearance. They feel so nice. These are new this week and they're so adorable. My kids are not aged appropriately to get them, but I kind of want to buy them for myself. Well, here is my cart. I am done. Do you think I'll be under 100? I'm a little nervous. I'm not sure. Good news, I spent $90.58 for these groceries. Now let's get to my meal plan. Okay, so this week we're making homemade mac and cheese. I'll have steamed broccoli on the side and probably the bacon bits for that as well. My mom actually sent me a recipe that I think looks really good. I'm going to make spaghetti and meatballs. This is a holdover from last week. I meal prepped a bunch of freezer bags of meatballs and I'm excited to make that. My 5-year-old, if you ask him what he wants for dinner, it's usually mac and cheese or it's hot dogs. So we're having hot dogs and then I got the dirty rice to go on the side with that. We'll have fruits and vegetables as well. I'm going to make a copycat Taco Bell Mexican pizza recipe. I heard someone mention Mexican pizzas from Taco Bell a while ago and it's been on my brain ever since. So everyone can customize them with meat, without beans, whatever. But I'm gonna link to the recipe I'll be following. I have frozen steak. We're gonna make steak bites and mashed potatoes with sweet corn on the side. I'm also going to make potato soup in the crock pot. We'll have the bacon bits, sour cream, cheese, different toppings you can load it with, green onions. And then finally we're going to have leftovers, so whatever's left from the week, we'll add it all together and that's what's for dinner. Even though I'm so excited spring and summer are here, soup is one of my favorite foods to make, so I have to get another one in. And if you're interested in seeing one of my favorite foods, tomato soup, and how I make that, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and chow.